technical analysis tools, master your charts, sharpen your edge. Let's dive into the heart of trading, technical analysis. Understanding how to read charts and use indicators is essential. Start with TradingView. It's one of the most popular charting platforms in the world, and the free version is more than enough for most traders. You'll get real-time charts, dozens of built-in indicators, custom layouts, alerts and watch lists, access to the community, ideas and scripts. Although there is a paid version of TradingView, the free version is perfectly fine to start with. You can also use things like MT4 or MT5, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader, all of which offer good, solid charting tools. You can add customizable indicators and expert advisors, which you can integrate into places like MT5. For example, I use the Earn Forex one on my MT5 setup. There are some obvious beginner-friendly indicators that work across all platforms. You'll find them in most places. Things like moving averages, MAs, smooth out price action and identify trends for you. Then you have things like the Relative Strength Index, the RSI. This is a good beginner tool as well. Bots, overbought and oversold conditions. Although be careful with this, not to rely on it too much. Same again with things like the MACD. You can track the trend, direction, momentum shifts. And things like Bollinger Bands help you visualize volatility, potential breakout zones, support and resistance zones. When it comes to support and resistance zones, you can manually draw them or use some sort of auto-detect levels. Personally, I find it better to manually draw them so you're looking at the chart and learning. All these indicators can help you make sense of price action and build a rule-based strategy. Just be careful not to rely on the indicators too much. Learn to read candlestick patterns and price structure. Indicators have their place, but they should not be the only thing you're looking at. Look at the candlestick patterns like pin bars, engulfing candles, doji formations, breakouts and retests. Of course, you've got trend lines and channels. There's so many things to go through here. Price action will give you the context, and the indicators give you confirmation. You can use custom scripts from the community tools on TradingView, or program your own using the Pine script language. There are thousands built-in community indicators to explore with TradingView. And again, you can use the Pine script editor to create your own tools or modify existing ones. On MT5 and CTrader, you can install custom indicators and EAs, expert advisors, to automate parts of your analysis. Pro tip, don't overload your charts. Start with one or two indicators, learn how they work and how you can use them, and combine them with price action. Clarity beats complexity here. You don't want your charts being a complete mess of lines and angles and all sorts of stuff where you can't even read the price action. You'll find as you develop your trading journey, you'll probably use less and less indicators and rely more and more on just reading the price action of the chart. Indicators only show you what's actually happening in the price action. So in reality, you don't really need them. They're there to help and guide you, not to be as your main resource.